I think the most of us have seen these graphics cards at unbelievable prices. I think the most of us have been warned that they are fakes, imitations, knockoffs, flashed older underpowered cards. But how do they flood the market with them, and how do they get away with it? And why, even with the warnings, we can't believe or simply look away? Marketing, of course. Compare the pictures with the prices. There's action, there's vivid, bright colors. The description makes them out to be fantastic, just like more expensive branded ones. And curiosity, yes, curiosity, of buying something cheap but powerful. Kind of like we're getting away with something. Thank you, 29K, and if you are new here, welcome. So I offered $35 for the generic graphics card from some guy on Craigslist. He said sure, because his computer was just too old to run it. Skeptical that curiosity got the better part of me, so I was in. I wasn't expecting very much, if anything at all, because all the notorious fakes posted all around the interwebs. After just a quick inspection, I started to worry about the overall quality, as it was light as a feather, the heatsink fins were bending very easily, and upon tearing it down for a closer look, I noticed the screws were very loose, and they didn't have springs like the good cards. The PCB itself was looking cheap. The materials, everything. The fan power plug just about fell out. So I cleaned up the old thermal compound and replaced it to reassemble this little wonder and give it a go. Although this card works, I really don't think it's a GTX 750 Ti with 2 gigs of RAM, because when I tried to run games that were preloading shaders, we ran into a frozen screen each and every time. The fan runs at full speed even at idle. HDMI is placed in a weird spot, making it nearly impossible to connect a cord up to it. And even though the temps seem to be okay, the card itself really gets hot. At any price, I don't think I could recommend or even feel comfortable selling a PC with this in there. I'd really like to know your thoughts about these cards, and maybe some technical details, who knows. And always, if you see an unanswered question, please give somebody some help if you know the answer. Thanks a lot. See you next time.